Hello, my monsters. This is part 2 of Tyke and Son's Lumber Battle. You should have seen the last video. I apologize, but it can't cost the money. And also, if you did see the video, there's some things. Well, if you didn't see the video, you know, or if you're a newcomer, this is what you should know. Stuff can't cost money. I'm sorry. And it's like, I don't know why it can't cost money, even though I have like I have like $20 or something. But I don't really know why, but I decided to not get them. But it's fine. But also, just so you know, I'm a little bit overhead and we were another safe fight. So I'm just doing this full, but it's not full. What the heck? So we're gonna like do stuff. Last one time I was looking for a flower pot. I just got mail. Alright. What's up? Yep, there we go. Alright. Now what's this? I just pressed space? What is it? Oh shoot. Yo, it's all he throws. Oh. Oh! I froze that. Good thing I don't have any. Right. If I just don't get it, why does nobody want to play my mini game? I spend so much time on creative. Yeah, sure, man. Bro, I literally just said I wanted to play. How do I get on my mini? How do I get on my mini? Yes, I am the mouse. Alright. Here you go. Alright. I'm doing skill. How do I run? Hi, Cross. How you doing more times? And I got the bag. Bad person. Need it. You want into some serious stuff. Wait, why can't I just take one? And since this is a company, why can't I just take a flower pot? An axe, a bloody axe. That's a bit too much. This one's for your cafe. Nice. Alright, let's enter into the cafe. Hi, Mike. Mikey, wanna play a minigame for free coffee to go? Yeah, sure, man. Oh, yeah. Minigame time. Control the road. Snacks and treats. Yep. collect multiple? No, I can't! I'm on fire? Yo, you need some help. Yo, I have a bunch, Come on, go. 150 points. That's my goal. No! I was 30 points away. Oh man, that's a good one. Set, go. Alright, the first thing I get is a snack. Alright. Go! Go, I'm serious. Shut up saying you're on fire. Help me catch on fire. Keep on talking, I'm gonna put you on fire. Yo. Alright, come back. It's actually a quite easy minigame. Yo! And then I was 20 points away. Come on, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna keep on trying. My big person spit. Oh god, dang it. Alright, I can't do this. Alright, I'm just gonna get out because I have to put on the ground real quick. And then now I'm gonna put this thing on towards me. Put it in there deep because I'm kind of forced to. Is it charging? I do not know. No, it ain't. Grab. Charge. There I go. Wait. One way meeting for yes. Make it shut up. Right, now I'm trying to hurry. Wait, so you're a snack, you're a drink. Come here! Get my point. You get on my point. Come on, get on! Bro, come here. Bro, I'm literally. Oh god, dang, why do I keep on doing stuff? That's a drink. Come here. God dang it! And come here. Oh, I'm not surprised by this. Dang, yep. Alright, I got her. I'm spamming space. God, what should we press? I'm spamming space. Bro! God dang, why do I keep on being confused and just going left and right? Come on! No, I'm doing so good so far. Ah, dang it. Alright. Well, I'm just gonna keep on trying. This is my last attempt, and I'll make a point through tomorrow. Right, fall! Hurry! Pick it up! No! I missed. And Super Mario. Yeah. Oh shoot! Never told me how to jump. How do I jump? No! Am I supposed to keep slow and steady? No! Yo! Go! Dang it, he got me. Well, bye. I'll make another video tomorrow. And this is Tyke and Sons Lumber Co.